Ma'am, sir, my name is Christine Joy Soriano Camacho, Filipino. I am 23 years old. My religion is Catholic. I am single. I have one brother and 3 sisters, and I
am the youngest.
I am the youngest child in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Christine Joy. How are you right now?
Ma'am, sir, I'm fine. Thank you.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Ma'am, sir, the good characteristic of a good domestic helper must be patient, honest, hardworking, and responsible.
How will you avoid your homesickness?
Ma'am, sir, I will keep myself busy and I will focus to my work.
So can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Ma'am, sir, I will treat them as my own family, give them proper food, medicine, and whenever they are sick, give vitamins and take a bath.
What if you committed mistakes? What will you do?